Alright, next song, Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. In fact, this song isn't too difficult, but when there are only two chords. But what makes it difficult is that it is in a E flat minor key, which is a little bit special. So interesting could be, to start with our E flat minor scale. So we can think back what is the major scale of E flat minor. That is F sharp major. F sharp major. So the same notes, and we start a minor third lower. So we can play this one. We start with second finger. All right. So this is interesting song. It's a slow song, but how can we play it smooth and make the transitions nice? That is the challenge in this song. Right? So we start with a E flat minor, 1, 2, 4. And then we leave the B flat while we loosen our fingers, and we can then play the next chord, the D flat. So letting this note sound will make the transition without any gap. So we can have a smooth transition. You see this? So we can practice that. Like that. If we don't do it, we get this. So we then have a little pause. If we want that, that's fine. But the exercise in this song is that we don't have a gap. All right. So. Right. Done. About the rhythm. This rhythm is this song is in a rhythm of 12/8. 12/8. It is in a threefold meter, so a threefold meter. So every beat is divided in 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So this meter is 12/8. 12/8 being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So that's an interesting rhythm as well. So then we will play 4 counts, each divided in 3, on the first chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and next chord. Right? But then we can count as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So the D flat is only 2 counts, and then we go again to E flat minor, which is also 2 counts. Right? So then we get, I'll show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's how we play it. All right? So then we have a little instrumental part. not too difficult. We play, so we play a combination of the root note of the chord and then the melody. So we don't play the third because it becomes very compact, very busy, too much information. So we don't need the third. All right. So we play. That's what we play. Now I will show you. So we play this. And then the chords again. So we then start again from the top. So right. Once again. So it is on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that you play this melody. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Okay. Now we add the root note with it. So we get. So we get the root note of the chords are E flat, D flat, B, D flat. Each one count. Right? So we get 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not too difficult, so you'll manage to play it. All right, thank you very much.